Okay, I got a little bit left. Okay, now we are removing the cat honey from the frames before we put it in the machine to get all the yummy honey out.
All right, does it look good? Then flip the frame.
Got it?
Flip it the other way. Flip it upside
Flip
down.
upside down.
Yeah.
So that way we get fewer drips.
Got it.
Ears on the outside. And you can see other way. Other outside. So you want these on the outside of the extractor. And then you can look in, you see through these sort of, that's the guide, so it kind of goes in there, so it's on that, so it's going to be more straight, like this. So it fits in the guide and then it fits down into the tray. So you can see, so then it'll be evenly balanced.
Got it.
All right, Amy, your turn.
Yay! This up right over here. Oh.
Are you right-handed or left-handed or doesn't matter?
Right-handed.
Okay.
Right.
So, so what I might do is try doing it from this side so it just falls directly along there. I can hold the frame if you want. You want Jonathan to film you?
It's set up.
Okay. So what
There
are
it
you
is.
doing? So just back and forth, side to side, with your slicing. Good. And if it starts to fill it out, you just wipe it on the side. Slicing through.
Yeah, it is.
Good.
It's not going all the way across, so it shouldn't be.
That's fine. Let's get what you got, and then let's go back and do more.
So cool. Thank you, bees.
Gotta go less deep if you can. Gotta go a little bit.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's just, you want to try to
Yeah.
leave as much honey on the bees as you can.
Gotcha. Sorry, bees.
And that's the, we're really just trying to get the surface.
Right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
As little as possible.
Oh, okay.
Because it's really just a cap. You know, if you
Oh,
see
gotcha.
if you see
Do the other side or
no,
no?
there's one here.
Okay.
And if, you can also go from the top down if that's easier.
Good. Good. I'm
Try to,
scared.
don't scare. But you've already got this, so you're trying to lean more on, on the set. There you go. And then maybe do some, maybe do a little bit from the top down, kind of like this.
Okay. Oh, that's neat.
And then, no, go from the top down.
Oh, that's all the people. Oh, that